going to make veg pizza without using any kind of oven. So let's start. So friends, at first I will take the pizza base. I have taken wheat pizza base. It is brown in color and really soft. Next we have to take mozzarella cheese, pizza topping sauce. It's also easily available in the market. Also some oregano, black olive, yellow bell pepper, red bell pepper, tomato, onion and capsicum. We have to cut it into small cubes the way I have done. Next, in a kadai I have taken 2 teaspoons of refined oil in which I will saute the vegetables along with some oregano and salt till it becomes tender and cooked. Now I have taken the pizza base and I will spread the pizza sauce all over it. Now I have added all the vegetables and again I grated mozzarella cheese on top of it. Next I'm going to add black olives as toppings on the pizza. Now I will place the pizza in a kadai. I will place the kadai on top of the tawa and let it cook for 5 to 7 minutes in low flame. So friends, after 5 minutes we can see the cheese has melted and the pizza is ready. It is very well cooked and it's smelling awesome. Friends, today my mom is going to taste the pizza. Let's see how she finds it out.
Hello friends, today I have come to my daughter's house. Daily she prepares very nice and delicious dishes. I like all those very much. Today she has prepared veg pizza. This is the pizza. I have tasted it. It is really super, awesome, yummy. I like pizza and today she has prepared this pizza very nice.
Friends, please try this at home. I'm sure your friends and family will really love it. And if you like this video, then please hit the like button and also share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Till then, all of you take care. Bye bye and happy cooking.